Welcome to our first Kodular class. In this class, we are going to learn how to make a smartphone app very easily. Kodular is a website that helps you build apps without writing any codes. You just drag and drop blocks to make things happen. Before we start, you'll need a few things. First, you'll need a computer with Google Chrome on it. Second, you'll need an Android phone with the Kodular companion app. You can find the link to download the app in the description below. Once you have these, we are ready to go. First, we need to go to the Kodular website. Type kodular.io in Google Chrome. Click on the Create Apps button and wait for a few seconds. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to make one. It's free. If you already have an account, just log in. I am going to sign in with a Google account. It is very easy and takes only a few seconds. Once you are logged in, let's start a new project. Click on Create Project and give it a name like Hello World with no spaces and click on the Next button. Now, give a name to our app. We can use the same Hello World here or give it any name we like. Now select the theme of the app, light or dark. If it doesn't matter for your app, you can leave it as default. All other settings can be skipped. Then, click on the Finish button. Now, we are in the Designer tab. This is where we create how the app will look. On the left side, we can see the component palette. This is like a box of tools that has all the parts you can add to your app. Here we can see components like buttons, checkbox, circular progress, images, labels, etc. To add something, just drag it from this palette to the middle screen. On the right side, we have the Properties panel. When you click on something you added, like a button, this panel lets you change how it looks. Here, you can change its color, size, text, and much more. We'll talk more about these in the next classes. Now, let's switch to the Blocks tab. This is where we tell our app what to do, like making the button do something when we click it. In the Blocks tab, look at the left palette. This has all the blocks you'll use to make things happen in your app. For example, if you added a button, you'll find blocks for it in the button section here. To use a block, just click on a category like button to open it, then drag the block you want into the center area. This is where we'll connect blocks together to make our app do things. Now, let's make a simple block. For example, when clicking on the button, change its background color to yellow. Just take a look at these blocks. We can read it very easily. It says, when button 1 clicks, set button 1's background color to yellow. And that's it for today. Great job! Now you know how to log in, create a project, explore the Designer tab, and use simple blocks to make your app work. From the next class, we'll start building an app from the very basics, step by step, so everyone can easily follow along and understand. Thank you for watching this class. To keep learning, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to never miss a class. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay updated about our events such as giveaways, competitions, expos, placements, and more.